Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 4X. Here you can see this is our device. This is the new custom ROM new build available for Redmi 4X. Let's check the specification of this ROM. You will get Android version 10. This is CR Droid version 6.13. Here you can see CR Droid 6.13. 5 December security patch is available. 5 December vendor patch, all security and vendor patch are latest. Kernel, here you can see this is the kernel installed in this ROM. See, this is the 16 December build. 16 December build is installed in this ROM. This is the latest build available right now. Let's check the features of this ROM, whether the features and the bugs of this ROM. The bugs are there are no bugs, or you can say there is no bugs available in this ROM as I have tested. Let's check the features of this ROM. First, let's check the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working perfectly, no problem in Wi-Fi. You can easily connect Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working perfectly, no problem in Wi-Fi. Hotspot is also working perfectly. You can easily connect hotspot to other device. You can share hotspot to other device. You can easily. There is no reboot or a restart of the hotspot. It works perfectly, no problem. And let's check the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is also working perfectly. No need to. I've already tested all the features. Bluetooth is working perfectly. Let's say the battery performance of this ROM is great, and the battery backup is good, better than average. Here you can see last full charge 10 hours ago, screen usage 21 minutes. Here you can see 2 days ago, 2 days left. Sorry, यहाँ पे let's check the display. Here is the display. You can check the display. Here is the night light, deep gray is available, dark mode, charcoal, AMOLED black is also available. You can change according to your use. All are working fine, and brightness level is also working perfectly. Adaptive brightness working है. Night light is also working perfectly, no problem in the night light. Here you can see you can change the intensity also, it works perfectly. Live display is also working. Styles and wallpapers, here are the styles and wallpaper custom. You can custom create also. Here you can see tilt shape clock. Let's set the clock also. Let me apply this clock. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem in clock. You can easily apply the format also, it works perfectly. Grid, you can change the grid also. Here is the wallpaper. You can change the wallpaper without any problem. There is no issue in the wallpaper. Here message is coming, no problem in the message. Geo is working perfectly. As you can see, volt is also working perfectly. Geo is working perfectly. Only volt icon is not coming, else everything is better. Right now it is not coming, but it will come later on. Font size, here is the font size. You can increase or decrease the font size, display size, lock screen. Let's check the always on display. Always on display is also working perfectly, no problem in the always on display. As you can see, there is no problem or any restart or any blinking of the always on display. It does not turn off, it remains on. I have fully tested this ROM. Double tap to wake is also working perfectly. Your sensor should work perfectly. There is no problem in the sensor. All the sensors are working perfectly in my device. Here is the ringtone. Ringtone is working perfectly, no problem in the ringtones. Very loud ringtone, there is no problem. Charging sound is also available. Vibration, notification sound. Here you can see tap sound is also working perfectly. Almost 25 GB storage is available here in the device, but there are few applications installed. Let's add the face unlock or fingerprint. How fast is the face unlock and the fingerprint of our device? Here you can see. Let me apply the fingerprint. Vibration is working. Hardware vibration working perfectly. No problem in the hardware keys vibration. Let me apply the fingerprint. Here you can see sensor working perfectly. Vibration also working perfectly. There is no error. Here you can see. Let's check the fingerprint speed. Tap. Open. Fingerprint speed is very fast. No problem in the fingerprint speed. It is very fast. No tapping. Here you can see fingerprint speed is very fast, no problem in the fingerprint speed. Amazing fingerprint. And let's check the face unlock also. How fast is the face unlock, whether the face unlock works or not. Face unlock is working perfectly. Let me apply the face unlock. Let's check the face unlock. Here is the face unlock. Here you can see face unlock working perfectly, no problem in the face unlock. Speed is average, not fast. Fingerprint speed is very fast, no problem in the fingerprint speed. Here you can see face unlock speed is average. Sometimes it's enable, it unlocks the device very fast. Here you can see you can install the bit gaps, flame gaps, open gas according to your use. I have installed the bit gaps version. I have installed the flame gaps version. Here you can see our Droid setting. All, if you want the full review of this ROM, you can check the description. I have already made the full review of this ROM. All the features are same, so you can enable from 4G to icon instead of LTE. You can switch if you want 4G instead of LTE. Data indicator is also available. Bluetooth icon, here is a volt icon. Volt icon is working perfectly. Here you can see you can enable it. Volt icon is working perfectly, no problem in the volt icon. You have to enable it. If you want to know all the features of this ROM, you can check the description. All the features are same. All the features are same. There is no change in the features of the Android settings. You can check that video. If I have already made, don't worry. System, here is the system. You can change the system. All the features are the same. Let's check the Play Store whether it is certified or not. Here you can see device is certified. So you can use the banking application, but there are devices certified. Let's check the Geo application. Here is the Geo application. Geo application is also working perfectly, no problem in the Geo application. You can use the Geo application. Here you can see proceed. It works perfectly. I will show you. Let me log in. Here you can see Geo application is also working perfectly, no problem in the Geo application. You can use the Geo application without any problem. All the banking application is working perfectly. Our notification light is also working perfectly, no problem in notification light, charging light, everything is working perfectly. Let's check the system Android 10. Here you can see root access not available. Root in this ROM is not pre-rooted. You have to root this ROM. You can easily root without any problem. Terrible supported. It is terrible supported ROM. Root access not. You can check according to your use. Here you can see security patch. December security patch is installed. And to the benchmark test, let's check whether it is completed or not. And to the benchmark test is not completing in our device, as it directly turns off or directly go to the zero. So enter to the benchmark test is not working. It is not showing any score. Let's check the safety net. Safety net is passed, don't worry. I have fully tested this ROM. Here you can see our safety net is passed successfully. All the request, signature, integrity, match, all the tests are passed successfully. These are the apps installed in this ROM. Here you can see these are the launcher is also there in this. All Dolby Atmos is also present in this ROM. Don't need to install separately. Here you can see if you want to install this ROM, you can check the installation of this ROM in the description. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.